Take up a Chronixx on the microphone, son of winner. Me alone and sing righteous song. Nah, follow nobody. I was wondering at the end of 2013 how much more could it get, but I mean, Jah never failed, you know, and here we are. I give thanks and praise at the Blue Note, Chronixx, you know, the Zinc Fence crew, and Monty Alexander and the legendary Ernest Ranglin, which I have been. It so happens that whenever I talk about people very much, I just meet them right after. So I spoke Ernest Ranglin into my life. Take it away, Ernest Ranglin. It's special because it's like a time traveling.
Right.
Back and forth in time. In one set. You know, so we give thanks and praise, man. It's a special thing for me, and I think it's special mainly because not a lot of youths my age get to experience these things, you know what I mean? Which I think if most young Jamaican artists got this chance, then the appreciation for the music would be a lot different.
True.
You know what I mean? Because if you know where the music is coming from, then you'll have a better idea as to where to take it. You know? And how to appreciate it and love it and nurture it.
Growing up in Kingston, the musicians that I admired so much was so generous to a young fella. That's me. And I felt very, very encouraged. And my confidence grew. So then instead of playing the note like that, I played it like that. And the note became alive. And Ernest sitting right next to me is one of the great people in the world that when he played the note, it literally, it just was as big as the sunshine, you know? And that's what I try to do when I play. And Jamaica, I got it in Jamaica.
I don't mind going with Monty. We have been good old friends for many, many years.
That's right.
And, I know him from he was much bigger than I am.
I was about 10 years old when I first saw you, Ernie.
Yes.
About 10 or 12, you know, you were playing.
Don't say that I was 95.
No, man, you was just older than me. My picking up this thing was just because I was fascinated with the guys that were doing it, who were older than I was. And I was sitting there watching them. Man, that guy playing that trombone, and that guy's playing that piano, and that guy's playing that guitar. And I would go home after hearing them play, feeling very, very enthusiastic and wanting to try to do that too. Mr. Ranglin is one of my inspirations because he was doing that so incredibly well way back then, you know, and here he is. We're still going.
Oh, thank you, sir.
It's true.
Whenever I come here, I come here for the love of playing with this gentleman.
I feel the same way, Ernie.
Give thanks and praise. Good night. Come on, Bruno, let's give it up for Monty Alexander. Let's give it up for our special guest, Ernest Ranglin. And Chronixx.